Transform is turbo assembler. You can see here a new file add.obj created. Then you have to link. Okay, here you have to pass the object file created by the previous comment. Okay, here more files created. Here you can see add.ac formed. This is the file. You can see add.exe. Next, let us run the program for that. Add.exe or simply give the file name add. There is nothing there to display inside the program. So we have to take the program in Turbo Debugger by coding slash slash. Okay. See the code segment register, it is 4480 now, and here we are using AL register and BL register. Okay, AL is 00, BL is 0000, and this two hexadecimal digit shows AH register and these two AL register. Okay, next we have to press F7 for single shift. Okay, you can see now AL change 01. Okay, that is move AL comma 01. We'll take 01 to AL register. Okay, and this instruction has length 2, and this is the 2 bytes. Okay, this is the machine code of move AL comma 01. Okay, see the IP register. It is 002. So 001 for first byte and 0000 for the first byte and 0001 for the second byte of the machine code of move 01. These are the flag registers. Okay, these are the flag registers. Again pressing F7, IP will be incremented by 2. Then add BL, AL comma BL. So a content of AL and BL will be added and the result will be showed in AL register. So when we execute this, content of AL will be changed. Okay, you can see content of AL changed to 3. Next three statements will terminate the program.